Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make an unboxing video from the soapkitchen.co.uk. Normally I do order stuff from the Soap Kitchen, and these products are for the organic skincare products, but this time I've ordered something for the soaps and for bath bombs, because now it's Christmas time and I would love to make some presents for my friends and family members and make some beautiful and amazing soaps. I'm not a soap maker. I'm using melt and pour soap and bath bombs. So let's dive into it. This is what I've ordered. Let's see. Thank you for your order. Cream of tartar, Epsom salts, tapioca starch, witch hazel. Oh, I need it so badly. Blue powder, violet powder, stearic acid, and cocamidopropyl betaine. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. International shipping. Great. Let's dive right into it. Oh, it's amazing. I just love getting my packages. The first one is this surfactant. I'm going to use it for my foaming bath soap. Foaming bath, yes. I think I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. So I've bought some base, and frankly speaking, I didn't like the ingredients, and I decided to make it by myself. That's why I ordered this one, though I guess I had that at home already, frankly speaking. The other one is witch hazel, and I ordered only 100 grams because I also have a little bit full. Also, I've ordered these two beautiful colors. One is violet and the other one is blue. I want to use them for my bath bombs. I'm not selling anything. I'm just making those for my friends and family members. I'm an organic skincare formulator, but I'm not selling that either because I haven't created my LLC yet. And here is the package. Oh, it's so interesting. Just look at that. Wow. Let's move those away. Here we have, I love this shop a lot. This is stearic acid, and just look how powdered it is, because I have another stearic acid and it's flakes, and this one is like little bubbles. It's like powder. I really like it. The next ingredient is tapioca starch. I have just a little bit of that left, so that's why I ordered it, and this is 500 grams, half a kilo. The other one I ordered, again, tapioca starch. Oh no, I've ordered 1 kilo apparently, because I have 2 of tapioca starches. The next one is cream of tartar. I used to have that, but it was already old, so I had to throw it away. It was also 500 grams. And this is Epsom salts. Last time I've also ordered Epsom salts and I haven't used those, so yesterday I found it again. But I have a little bit, so this is my unboxing from the Soap Kitchen, and I really love this shop. They have lots of ingredients, especially for soap makers, but I am normally ordering a lot of butters, very They have excellent butters, like exotic butters, and I'm ordering from them for my organic skincare. I'm also not selling that. That's also only for my family members and friends. So this is my order for today. And I'm going to make lots of bath bombs and lots of scrubs, and that's why I want to make foaming bath soap. Yes, now I know how it's called, foaming bath soap. These are my beautiful ingredients from this shop. This video is not sponsored, of course. I'm just sharing with you my experience, and this is a shop which I love a lot. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.